live.
¿Está?
Sí.
¿Ya estamos? Hello, here we are in another Milonga at the Light, Wednesdays. We have another menu, social and popular, £5, as you know. You can eat an amazing dish and dessert. Today we have milanesas. I explained before how to do milanesas. Milanesa is something very Argentinian. Yesterday Argentina won with Nigeria, so we want to festejar with milanesa, a very Argentinian thing. And you can think, yeah, milanesa is not Argentinian, it's from Milano, but you're wrong, because it's a research on that, and it's a song that is oe milanesa con puré, and this was found in 1810, and oe milanesa con puré, and that shows that it's Argentinian. Okay, anyway, few tips if you are in London and you want to do milanesas, and you don't want to expand an eye of your face, rojo de la cara. Okay, so basically, what I'm using is this that is quadrille. It comes from Ireland, and it's $5.99 the kilo. It's a big piece like this, and you can find it in the halal butchers or African butchers, and come in a big package. You ask the guy to cut it very, very thin. Okay, and then you take all the nerves. You see, I took all the other parts of the meat, because it has to make nerves. I'm gonna do something with that, maybe una bolognese, a picado, something. Okay, and then, as I showed before, you have to cut the nerve, you know, with the knife. You cut few cuts in the nerve. And now, I'm gonna show you. I have two things that I bought in Amazon. One is this device, that basically is a lot of nails, and you make little holes. And I learned that in Brazil. When I was living in Brazil, when you go to the butcher, they ask you if you want the meat to be tender, and they put it in a machine, an automatic machine, like, and make all these holes. This one is a manual one. So you want two things. One is to be sure that you make it tender, if it's not super, you know, ternera meat, and then a hammer to make it even. Okay? Be careful. You don't want the breadcrumbs, you don't want to be thicker than the meat. Otherwise, it's an empanada. It's not a milanesa. Okay, so we have the milanesa here. Then we have eggs, parsley, a bit of lemon to make it even more tender. Just a little bit of lemon, pepper, eggs. I say eggs, and milk. Okay, and we're gonna keep it in this butter for about 1 hour, okay, in the fridge, of course. Okay, so we're going to continue doing all these milanesas, pass it there, and in 1 hour, what I'm going to do is pass it through breadcrumbs. That's another tip. If you go to Tesco to buy breadcrumbs, you're going to have it in a very little package, very expensive, and it's not very good quality. These ones are Turkish ones, and you can find it in a Turkish shop or in a Polish shop, because they like a lot to do some kind of schnitzels in Poland. So you see, it's a very good quality pan rallado, okay, breadcrumbs, and you're going to pass the milanesas from the breadcrumb, and then you can fry it or you can put it in the oven. If you put it in the oven, it's a bit drier, but you can fry it. One tip, the oil, it shouldn't be too hot, otherwise you're going to burn it from outside, not cook it from inside, and you're gonna start to stink the milanesa. So not too high, less than 160 degrees. And the other thing is, the milanesa, it shouldn't be bigger than the pan, okay? Otherwise, it doesn't find the place. Okay, so that's it. So welcome. If you want to eat here in the light, you just have to book in advance, because it's always full. So you book in advance, and then you share the table with another people, you have a chat, and then you dance. Thank you.